And good morning, everyone. Magandang umaga po. Hope you had a very beautiful weekend. I had a very fruitful weekend. Talked to traders dito sa Cebu and spent time with the family. So it was a very beautiful weekend for you. For me, I hope it was a beautiful weekend for you too. Magandang umaga po sa lahat. Today, we're gonna be talking about PSEI. Mga picks ko po for today. PSEI closed at 7933 yesterday. Right, we were expecting for PSEI to touch 8,000 last week, almost, di ba? Umabot halos ng 8,000. So that was very good for PSEI. Now we're forming a higher high and higher low. So this should be a good trend for PSE. So I hope nakapagbudega na kayo. I told you guys to focus on those who were at the bottom lately. So hopefully okay na yung mga positions ninyo. But today, sa mga hindi pa nakapagbudega, we still have picks. Meron pang mga konting stocks na pwede pa nating saluhin, kumbaga, right? My trading strategies, I usually focus on things that are on stocks that are on the bottom. Hindi ako nagfo-focus sa mga nasa taas na. And that's the trading strategy I've been teaching everyone. And hopefully, na-apply nyo po sa trading nyo. So, yeah, let's get down to it. If you have any questions, just post it in the comments. If you have any stocks requests, please do post it in the comments para daanan natin as long as we have time. Daanan po natin yan at i-chart po natin ngayon. Let's go to the comments. Yan. Ano ko muna yan? Yung audio natin. Have to control it first. Ayan. Joel Ligares, good morning. Sir Lloyd and Laika, good morning. Joel, happy Monday. Chris Canilan, good morning. Catalyst Dagger, morning. Sir Lloyd and Laika. Si MPI kaagad. Right, ang ganda ni MPI ngayon. Nag-gap up last Thursday and started to pull back. So, recommended MPI here. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay MPI. Right now, I don't want to recommend it here kasi nasa taas pa po yan. Let's wait for it. Maybe around ME20. Right? I kept teaching you that. So, hopefully, napasok mo yan noon, Kellens. Tommy Montano Escobedo, good morning, Coach, and all viewers. Thoughts po kay Tech, RLC, and FB. Thanks po. Right, we talked about Tech last week. Na-recommend ko po yan dito sa support. I told you, and there it is, lumapad na. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay Tech. When we tested this out, ayun, laki ng gains. It even reached to this point, umabot ng 13.68. Hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy po. It's just that right now. Yan, at ito yung problema. If tinatanong nyo ngayon si Tech, most probably naiinggit na kayo kasi umakit na siya, di ba? Recommended it here, lumipad na siya. We're position traders. The current position is not our entry, right? Very high risk position ito. How high? This is the support right here. So we always cut loss around -3% below support. So around there. So if we drag this to the current price, our current risk is 20% na. If you're willing to lose 20%, you enter at habulin yan. Pero kung hindi, wag po. Always wait for a low risk position to enter. If wala po, if naiwan na po tayo, let it go. Right? Let it go. Let it go. So, konting ingat lang. Alright, Tommy Escobedo, hopefully, napasok mo yun sa baba. If not, let it go lang muna. Abangan nyo in the next coming days for the pullback and bounce. RLC, recommended RLC here. So far, so good. Nagme-maintain pa rin naman yung support ni RLC. Okay? Yeah. As far as the support holds for RLC, pwede pang bodegahin yan si RLC. And then si FB naman, ayun, si FB for how many days? It's been constant right here, but the volume is good. Okay? Strategy for FB, we talked about FB at around this level. It should start to go, it should start to react because there's a possible support here. And there it is. Tumigil yung pagbagsak niya at that level. Okay? Since tumigil yung pagbagsak niya at that level, this is something nice. meron naman siyang healthy volume on the buying there. So, there's buying right here. It's just that, kuripot pa yung mga bumibili. Yung mga kuripot pa. Binibilas nila sa 90 lang muna. So, may nagbubodega at 90 pesos. So, that's good. That's good to know. Best strategy for FB, bilhin nyo ng 90. If it goes further down, just keep buying more. As this stock is good. So, we know that in the future, this stock is gonna go up. Right? And if it's gonna go up, then if you keep buying more, kahit bumabagsak, kahit lugi ka pa sa simula, that's okay. Because the moment it goes up, it gives you a good position at the bottom. And it gives you good volume at the bottom, right? And then once you have good, once you got enough volume at the bottom, once it goes up, man, you're gonna be rich. So, yeah, start nyo na po, ibodega yan si FB. Jappy BTV, good morning po, Sir Lloyd. Good morning din, Alice Kabigting. Good morning, Coach and Laika. Insights po kay KPPI, wala pa rin eh. Hindi ko pa magamitan ng hindi ko pa magamitan ng technical analysis eh. Best technical analysis we can do here is price action. We have a resistance right here that's going down. So, nagra-rounded po siya. So, wala pa tayong base na makita for KPPI. So, I cannot recommend it yet. Too volatile for now. PPG. Si PPG naman, we kept telling you, dito lang, just follow the trend line. That's the best entry point for PPG. Right now, nasa medyo gitna po tayo ng support and resistance na ginagawa niya. So, I can't recommend that. Apo, yan si Apo, MA20 bounce. Use MA20 as your entry point. Hopefully that holds. If ever hindi, just get out. Okay? Maganda naman yung trend na pinapakita ni Apo. Si Fen naman, masyado mataas na. Just get in near MA20 as much as you can. Hopefully it sustains the growth. If not, then cut loss below MA20. Ganun lang. Michael Ibabaw, may buntag, Sir Lloyd. Good morning din. Taas na lang ng camera ko. Okay. Adjust ka lang ng konti. One moment, please. Ayan, much better. Chirilo Baha, good morning. Johnny, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Gandang umaga po. Idol, GPPG, good morning. Mike, Michelle. Ayan, Michelle pala, hindi Michael. Michelle. Ayan, good morning. PPG. Lang ha. Daming gulo sa mesa ko. PPG yan. Just follow this trend line ni PPG right here. Get in near this trend line as much as possible for PPG. Okay? Ken Wujam, good morning, sir. Gandang umaga, Sir Lloyd. Have a nice day po. Need your opinion lang po. When can you tell you're ready for day trading? Salamat po. When can you tell you're ready for day trading? If you're already consistent in position trading, if alam mo na ang position trading, yung ginagawa natin dito, and if you're already consistently earning in that, most probably you are ready for day trading. Ganun po ang sinasabi ko dati. There are levels in trading. Day trading is the last level of trading. Okay? Before you go to day trading, you have to master position trading first. Kasi dun mo malalaman kung ready ka na sa amount, sa losses, sa technical analysis. If you're doing well in your position trading, most probably you're gonna be doing good in day trading. Okay? Speaking of day trading, I want you guys to join this group. Laka lang ha. Search for Team eToro Pilipinas. Alright, so once you search for Team eToro Pilipinas, sorry. Hindi yan. Hindi yung mukha ko. Ayan, Team eToro Pilipinas right here. Okay? Once you search for it, dalawa kasi ito sa Pilipinas tatlo na pala. At may like page, i-like nyo lang po ang page namin. There's eToro Trader Philippines, and then we have Team eToro Pilipinas. This is the group that we manage. So click it and join, right? If you wanna learn day trading, right? If you wanna learn day trading, join this group. And we spent time with the admins last night. Madaling araw na kami nakauwi. But yeah, one of the moderators here, the admins, this guy right here, Jed Villardo, he is a day trader. He trades gold. Currently in the Asia contest, Mr. Jed is around number 68, right? So, number 68 siya ngayon on the contest sa pinaka magaling na trader sa Asia with eToro. He's number 68. He's already up 35.98. This is the HR, meaning high risk amount, is his account for day trading. Pinang day trade niya and he joined the competition. And he's ranked 68. 35% already using day trading, di ba? He will be teaching. He does teach day trading here. Tinuturo po namin yan ng libre. Join this group, right? You will see the live here. Nag-live po ito si Mr. Jed sa day trading niya. And then also for the Billionaires Club sa mga group natin, Sir Jed and I made a specific date, September 12 po. Right, September 12 sa Billionaires Club at here sa Team eToro Pilipinas, share po namin. He's gonna have a live day trading seminar habang nagtatrade. So he can show you how he executes it, the technical analysis behind it, how he prepares in day trading. So if you wanna learn how to day trade, join that. That's gonna be on September 12. It's gonna be online. So that's for everyone. Prepare your eToro account because we're gonna be doing the day trade in eToro. So, mga hindi pa po gumagawa ng eToro account, andyan po sa link, andyan po sa video description ang link po ng eToro account, ng creation account using with my link. Please use that. Gamitin niyo po yun so that you can help the channel, right? Yun lang po hinihingi ko in return. I hope I've earned that. Please make sure you create the account using my link. Yun nga ang nangyari, we have a promotion, right? We were supposed to draw 4 winners today. Pero lahat po ng nag-register, 3 of them did not create the account using my link. So I'll have to request this. Baka pwede pa natin ma-transfer under me. So sayang po, kayo po sana nauna. Kaso nga lang, hindi niyo po ginamit ang link ko. Hindi ko rin makita tuloy if ever nakapag-fund na kayo kasi magte-trigger yan if nakapag-fund na ang account. We won't know how much but it should say if it's funded or not. Sadly, wala po. Lahat po ng nag-register, hindi po nagpa-fund. So sayang naman po, today we were supposed to draw 4. So, kasi wala pa, that's good news for everyone na mag-fund pa lang na account nila. Those who will be funding their eToro accounts this week, you're gonna be valid for, i-move lang po natin yung seminar. You will be able to join the promotion. We are gonna draw 4 winners next Monday po. So, yung magpa-fund this week and last week, you will still be able to join. Just make sure you register. Andyan po yon sa video description nito, ang registration link on how to register for the promotion. Meron po tayong ibibigay. Financial Freedom 101 will be giving out 2,500 pesos each to 8 winners and hopefully i-fund nyo po yan sa eToro ninyo para dagdag investments na rin, di ba? Something extra, if you earn something extra, always put it in investments. Okay. So, yan po again, September 12. That's gonna be, anong araw yan, September 12? Thursday, 11 in the morning pagsisimula po. So, maybe an hour or 2 hours pinakamataas po niyan. Right? Live trading, hopefully we win that day. Kasi sa day trading, you can win today or you can lose today. Yun nga lang, you have a limit for today. Magkano lang dapat linulose mo para mabawi mo sa susunod if ever mag-lose man yan. Okay, going back sa comments natin. Yan, lang ha. So, ayan po, that's for Mark Adrian Adiano. Panoorin niyo po yung video so that at least you know, you have the knowledge of, you get the idea of day trading even if you're not ready yet. You can practice naman. Pwede naman diretso ka sa day trading, but I tell you, it's gonna be hard. Okay? Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Paki-check naman po si Tugs from Estela. Kumustahin natin si Tugs. Ayun, si Tags is still holding on to MA20 at this bound. So, this is good for me. Pwede nyo po gamitin si MA20 as your entry point for Tags already. Michael, ibabaw si HP at ISM kaya Sir Lloyd. ISM still, bodega. Uy, may bounce na nga pala si ISM. So, yeah. I can recommend ISM for today. Pwede to. Pero as much as possible, near MA20 tayo pumasok. So, kasi magiging support natin dito is MA20 eh. So, this is a dip for ISM. I'd say yes, buy this dip. Kaya hindi ko sumasakit ulo ko sa ISM is, what I usually do is, on the dips, first strong dip was right here. Strongly recommended ISM here. Lumipad siya. And then there's this dip right here. Nagsisimula naman siya magde-dip, and then we're starting to see buy signals here. So, dito ko po simulan. Dito po ako nagsisimula mag-bodega na naman. And there it is. I recommended ISM here and lumipad na. This is a good dip. I'd say just buy here. If ever you're for long term, just buy here. And then if it goes further down, just keep buying more. Ganun lang for long term. But for short term trading, short-term traders out there, this is tricky. As much as possible, get in your MA20. But we already have a bounce. So, hopefully, baka ito na yung magtuloy-tuloy nito. Pag nag-green na yan today, yeah, you can test it out already. So, yan yung problema pag naghahabol tayo kung nakalipad na. So, as much as possible, doon pa lang sa baba, nakapasok na tayo. CHP naman. Uy, si CHP nag-bounce. So nga lang, this is a good bounce. Something to look forward to. Strong recovery kaagad for CHP after touching the lower Bollinger Band. So, problema ko kay CHP, magpapalabas sila ng mas maraming stock. So, I don't want to recommend. It's gonna go volatile because of that. And I don't want to play with that kasi mas unpredictable yan pag ganyan. So, I don't want to recommend CHP. Technical analysis-wise, possible support here. We have an engulfing pattern. Most probably, in the next support bounce, that's a good entry point. Kaso nga lang, again, sa FOO nila, baka bumagsak because of the supply. So, ingat lang muna kay CHP. I don't want to recommend it. Richard Gallinero, Idol. Good morning, Sir Lloyd and Laika Insights ISM to you din na update po. Wala pang update eh. It's gonna be a very big change. So, it will take time. Hindi po madali mag-change ng pangalan. Naalala niyo si Poppy for the longest time. Poppy yan. Ang tagal naging LHC. Diba? So, it's not gonna be quick. But, so far, so good. Wala naman tayong nakikitang mga negative signs na hindi matutuloy maging Udena si ISM. Okay? Michelle Lodi pa shoutout naman po sa anak kong si Dana. Birthday po niya ngayon. Salamat po. Happy birthday, Dana. Good morning. And to Michelle. Ayan. Sad Nico. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Insights po kay DNL and CHP. Ito si DNL. Bodegahin niyo yan. This is one of the stocks that we are looking at. If mag-green yan, you buy. And then if it goes further down, just keep buying more. Napakamura ni DNL ngayon. Okay? Magkano ba, if you have Call Financial there, and you check magkano ang fair value ni DNL ngayon. Let me just open my, Let me open my trading account. Prime. Let me just get the, of DNL. Fair value of DNL. Okay, so average. So, ito yung tinitignan natin na price ni DNL, 10.13. So, it's still very cheap right now. So, low estimate is 908. DNL's current price is 8.83. So, it's even below its buy price. So, napakamura actually ni DNL ngayon. I strongly recommend buying DNL. Very good company. Bodegahin nyo po yan habang mababa pa si DNL. Okay? You can't go wrong with this company as long as they're doing well. Right now, they're doing well. So, as long as they're doing well, you should be okay na magbodega kay DNL. CHP, we talked about CHP already. Jing Martinez, good morning, Coach. Insights po kay FGen, MBT, CHP, C po. Thanks so much. C, ganun din. Just keep buying the dips. We have an ascending triangle for C. For those traders out there, wait po ng breakout kay C kung gusto niyo pong pumasok kay C for trading. FGen. Alright, so FGen. Nirecommend ko si FGen dito eh. Was that here? I can't remember when I recommended FGen. But we are at we're playing very near resistance for FGen. konti ingat lang po kay FGen, right? We don't have a proper support anymore. Nakalipad na po siya. So, it's really hard to say for FGen kasi pag nag-breakout yan sa itong resistance ito, there was a previous breakout but it did not sustain pero nag-bounce din naman kaagad, forming this ascending price action right here. So, that's good for FGen. Most probably, it's gonna do a breakout. So, kung gusto pumasok kay FGen, siguro breakout na lang. I don't want to recommend FGen right now. Masyadong mataas na po si FGen. Focus more on stocks that are at the bottom. Huwag po yung mga nakalipad na tulad ni FGen. Si MBT naman, like MBT, nasa baba pa si Metrobank. So, yeah, these are the stocks that we should be looking at. Antay lang tayo ng green kay MBT. This is a good support if ever mag-green si MBT. Okay, CHP, we talked about CHP. Right, okay na. Tugs from Jappy VTV, we already covered that. Kenwood Jam, Ali, sir, pwede pa ba pusukin si Ali? So, I recommended Ali last Friday. There it is, lumipad si Ali. I cannot recommend it today. Right, medyo, for the traders at least, ayoko. Right, I don't want to recommend it for the traders. Kasi medyo high risk na siya. We are playing at possible resistance levels. Siguro breakout na lang. Gusto nyo po talagang pumasok. If you confirms a breakout right now, yeah, you can test it out. But we already recommended Ali here. Sayang naman if hindi nyo pinasok last Friday. And then, Rafael Arcadin, bakit hindi po gumagalaw yung FB? Stalemate lang from the buyers and sellers. Not enough buyers to make it go up. Not enough sellers to make it go down. So, it can happen to a stock. Tulad ni Heaven. Very good example for that is Heaven. Tingnan niyo po yan. So, very, very strong stalemate kay Heaven dito, tsaka dito. So, that happens if hindi gumagalaw ang stocks. Walang enough buyers, then wala rin enough sellers. Ayaw magbenta ng mga tao kasi investor sila. So, nagkataon ang daming investors for Heaven kaya hindi bumabagsak. Okay, so, asan na ako? Aslani Maniri, morning sir. Anong magandang stocks? Right, we are gonna be covering our picks in a bit, after 5 minutes. 8:45 pag-usapan po natin. Which brings me to my request. Guys, please share the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe. And then, please share the video. Share nyo po para naman po yung mga friends ninyo. They're gonna be curious about stock market. And pag nakita nila program nito, meron palang nag-guide sa stock market. At least, we can encourage them to start in stocks. Also, to your trading groups, if you have any trading groups out there called Financial, other trading groups, share this video to those trading groups para naman yung mga newbies doon, malaman nila there's a program like this that can help them in their stock market journey. Diba? Oric Torre Franca, good morning sir Lloyd, good morning then. Would like to ask kailan papasok yung new IPO ng Home and Axelum? Thanks from Saudi Arabia. Hindi ko nakita yung specific dates eh. I haven't been opening my email. But your broker should be sending you an email. Tignan niyo po ang email ninyo. Makita niyo po dyan. Meron din namang hindi ko na open yung Hindi ko na open yung details. So yeah, I'll get back to you tomorrow or check it out, right? Hindi ko na take note kasi. Rain Minon, good morning Sir Lloyd. How about Sun? Thank you, Sun. I recommended Sun last Friday. Was that Friday? Yes. Recommended Sun last Friday kasi possible na siya umakyat. And there it is, the bounce of Sun. And congratulations sa mga pumasok last Friday kay Sun. Right now, if you can get in near MA20 as much as possible, near this line right here, then that's the best entry point. Itong linya tong dito, yung nasa gitna. So if you can get in near that, that's the best entry point for Sun at the very least. Let's see if mag-hold yung MA20 niya kung gusto niyo po pumpasukin. Kellis Dagger, thanks, you're welcome. Ketamine, good morning Sir Lloyd. Sun, maganda mag-TP sa PIP. Oh yeah, one of my recommendations at naglilid para na sila PIP. Dapat, dito ko sinarecommend yan, di ba? Sa baba, this one right here, this circle right here, and dyan pa kaya kapal pa ng mga linya dyan kasi hindi nawawala yan. Nag-breakout and then there it is. Saan maganda mag-TP kay PIP? Actually, dito etong mga pulahan na ito dito, this is a good avenue to sell half at the very least. Baka lumipad pa kasi. So, I can't say if lilipad pa yan. Baka, right? That's why you just sell half here if ever nakapasok kayo dito when I recommended it. So, congratulations. Time to sell half there. That's already a very good gain for you. That's already 28% climb for PIP. More than 20% na. So, dapat nakapag-take profits na kayo. Grabe naman. Hindi pa kayo nakapag-take profits dyan. Bekatangan, good morning sir. LHC, DNL, ABS, and ISM. LHC, sorry, LHC, ayan. So, any bounce soon? Pag nag-bounce yan si LHC, that's a good entry point. Already recommended LHC here. Sabi ko sa inyo, magbodega na dito pa lang. The support is sustaining naman. If ever mag-green yan today, that's a good signal. That's a good confirmation of a support. So, time to buy that. DNL, we covered DNL already. Bodegahin nyo na po yan. ABS, doing a pullback. We're gonna wait for ABS to bounce. Recommended ABS dito. So, congratulations sa MA20. Dito ko nirecommend sa ABS, di ba? Or was it here? Yeah. I believe it was here. MA20 pullback. Oh, no. It was here. Right here sa ABS. So, yeah. Recommended ABS here and it's already going up. So, congratulations sa mga pumasok. Sa mga gusto pang pumasok, wait na lang tayo ng bounce. Anytime soon, it should bounce. Baka nga, today, mag-bounce yan. At the end of the day, if ever green na makikita nyo, pasukin nyo na po. ABS and then ISM, bodegahin nyo lang po si ISM. Just keep buying more for ISM if ever it goes further down. For long term, at the very least. Arvin Tikar, good morning, sir. Ano advice nyo sa LR and APO? LR starting to go up si LR. Right, so hopefully nakapasok kayo sa bottom ni LR. But this is a divergence right here. Si LR, if it gives, hindi ko lang nirecommend si LR ngayon kasi medyo high risk siya na. But if you can enter, if LR gives you an opportunity na mag-pull back at lumapit sa support, then that's definitely a buy. Sa mga hindi naman, wala namang pakialam sa mga gaanong risky. Anyways, this is the possible bottom ni LR. Very strong climb last Friday. Pwede nyo po pasukin yan, right? Just if it goes further down, I'd say buy more LR. This is a good company. I will recommend LR for long term. Yeah, ang ganda pa rin naman ni LR overall as a company. Okay, thanks a lot. Okay, Apo. Alright, recommended Apo on this green sa MA20 and so nagsustain pa naman yung MA20 niya. So hopefully you can get in your MA20 for Apo. It's 8:45. I will stop first with sino nga ba yun? TPPIP. Man, this is from Arvin Tikar. So I'll stop here for now and I'm just gonna make a video, create a highlight. Right here. Highlight natin start of recommendations. Ayan. So, nag-highlight lang ako sa video. So, that, ang ganda ng ano ngayon eh. Ang ganda na ng YouTube ngayon kasi meron ng mga highlights. So, yeah. For those who want to watch the replay, tignan nyo lang po yung highlights. So, dun po nagsimula ang recommendation. So, here are my recommendations for today. I'll post it on the comments. There. One of my favorite stock is there, si SMPH. So I'm recommending SMPH for today. Before that, I want to invite everyone. Join us in trading in the international market. I am more active there now in trading. So slowly po, magta-transition na po tayo sa international market. We'll be starting this week. Last week, nag-post na ako ng mga reviews for the international market. If you noticed it, I highlighted si Visa and tsaka si trading view. Right, I highlighted Visa and MasterCard on chart. So Visa all-time high. Sorry. Right, so Visa all-time high. Yeah, I recommended Visa on this date right here. Nung nag-breakout siya, breakout strategy, and Visa still going up. So, hopefully, nakapasok kayo when I recommended it. Right? Yeah, we talked about this in the daily grind. Sabi ko sa inyo, Visa made an all-time high. That was a breakout. That was an ascending triangle breakout. So, that was a very good entry. And there it is. Tumuloy-tuloy na. So, Visa, strongly recommend Visa. Pwede nyo pong pwede nyo pong long-term yan. Then, MasterCard, Incorporated, MA, all-time high also. Strong breakout right here. So, I recommend, I talked about it here. And then, nag-gap up na. Ayun. So, I strongly recommend these stocks for long term, especially now that everything is automated. So if you want to join the future movements of these companies, Visa and Mastercard, join us in eToro. Create an eToro account, and then for as low as $50, pwede na kayo makapag-invest kay Visa. $50, that's a very small amount to buy. Instead na gamitin nyo si Visa pang bili-bili ninyo, edi mag-invest na kay Visa tsaka kay Mastercard. Diba? So, very good opportunity for you guys. Join, test these stocks out. Right? Create an eToro account using my link. So, SMPH, number 1 pick for today. SMPH. Yan. We talked about SMPH, about this possible support right here, and there it is. Nag-confirm na ng bounce si SMPH. So I believe this is a good bottom for SMPH for now, right? Especially that SMPH has been doing well. Second quarter earnings 16%. Those are very good numbers compared to last year. 16% growth this year. Definitely very good. And plus SMPH, gagawa na po sila na sarili nilang online market. Sarili nilang Lazada, yung parang ganon. So that's gonna boost SMPH even more. Okay? So yeah. Pasukin nyo po si SMPH. Si SM medyo lumipad na eh. One of my favorite stocks also. Hindi nag-all-time high. Nag-52-week high na si SM. I can't recommend it here. At you know where to catch it, right? Abangan nyo po sa baba. Next kay SMPH is si PRMX, PRMX. So here it is. After this very strong climb, pullback, and then bounce MA20 entry for PRMX. Okay, next is Globe. Okay pa rin naman si Globe as much as possible. So we have good price action here for Globe. I think Globe is gonna go green today. Pag nag-green yan today, definitely check it out, right? This is a very good dip level of Globe kasi. So these are the dip levels that we try to catch these stocks. Last time I recommended Globe right here, and then here, and then umakyat si Globe. So right now we're reaching those levels again. So I can recommend Globe again. Kasi bumaba na naman siya. Ganun po ang ginagawa ko. Nag-aabang po ako ng mga stocks na bugbog. Mga good stocks na bugbog. Right now, I want to recommend SHLPH. Even though fundamentals of SHLPH is starting to medyo shaky pa. Negative 55 for the second quarter. First quarter, negative din to. Positive pala sila. Annual earnings niya last year is negative 51%. So that's very big dip. But if you notice the volume of SHLPH, right, there's accumulation here. So trading wise, you need it all for long term. I don't want to recommend this for long term, but trading wise, yeah, this is a very good signal for SHLPH. Try to test this out. Test this support out at 31 pesos, 31.30. This is a good time to test Shell. If ever hindi mag-materialize, just cut loss. But I strongly think this is gonna go up despite the fundamentals of SHLPH right now. Why? Because of the volume. The chart and volume doesn't lie. Okay? Excuse me. Yeah, so recommending SHLPH for today. Ay, teka lang ha. Ayan. Ay, kumukulit sa paa ko eh. Ayan, this is Pipita. Hi everyone. See. Kinakagat yung paa ko. Si Pipita, bigay ni mom ko. So, very cute dog. Anyways, SHLPH. Stop, Pipita. Kinakagat pa rin yung paa ko. APC. Right, APC just did an MA20 bounce from APC. Very good to check it out. Very, definitely, it's on an uptrend. So, why not APC? Sakyan po natin yung trend niya. We have an MA20 bounce. Use the MA20 as your support. Para po, less risk, diba? This stock is on an uptrend. This is the pullback. This is a good pullback. Try it at MA20. For APC. Next is PNB, one of my favorite stocks to watch out for. Si PNB, last time we talked about PNB, lumipad siya ng lumipad dito when we recommended it, when we saw this divergence, one of my favorite technical analysis, diba? Divergence dyan. So, we were able to catch that. And now, PNB, even pababa yung presyo, it's showing us a longer time frame na divergence. So yeah, I think this is bottomed out already. We have good price action right here. If napapansin niyo po ang buying paakyat na, those are the things I look for also. So umaangat na po si PNB. time to test the support out. 45 is the best support for PNB, but 46 is still okay to enter. Okay, so PNB, check it out. Pwede nyo po testingin yan. Next for PNB, last si COSCO. Right, si COSCO po, hinug na. Right, very good support for COSCO already. We have a big volume spike on COSCO last Friday, so that's a very good signal for COSCO. Test out the support. Support niya is around 6.60. So, yes, test out this support for COSCO. Okay? Ang ganda na ng price action ng COSCO. We have a possible resistance right here, pero mas okay rin naman yung okay pa naman yung ano niya. Okay pa naman yung tawag nito. Risk to reward ratio niya, but the volume is the very big indicator here. May spike na tayo sa volume, so that's good buying for COSCO. So those are my picks for today. Pili lang po kayo. If you wanna ask me what is my favorite, syempre, doon ako sa super strong company, SMPH, for my picks for today. And then, meron akong magandang kutob kay SHLPH eh. I want you guys to test that out. That's technical analysis trading, but let's see if ever. Right? Pero SMPH po yung mga paborito ko dyan. If ever you're still a newbie in trading, trade the blue chips first. Blue chips mga lang, hindi kayo manalo-nalo na kapaya sa mga second liner na stocks, diba? So yeah, those are my picks for today. Time to go back to the comments. But before we go back to the comments, guys, registration for the promotion with eToro. If you want to create an account, meron po diyang link. This will come. This will bring you to this page where you can register name, email, phone number, your eToro username, and then your date kung kailan kailang fund. Right? Next week po, magdodraw po tayo ng 4 for the first people who funded their accounts. Who created their link under me. Importante po ito. Please use my link when you create the account. Right? Yung mga nagre-register kasi when we checked it out, hindi po link ko ang nagamit nila. So, that's sad. So, hindi po mabavalid yung entries ninyo. Sayang naman. Okay? So, we'll continue next week with that. Okay. Alvin Tikar was the last person we checked out sa mga comments. George Dosado, good morning sir. MBT Tugs po. Si MBT still, budagayin niyo po sa MBT. Si Tugs naman, yes, MA20 bounce for Tugs. Yes, that's good entry point. STV Trader, good morning. ISM, okay pa rin naman sa ISM eh. ATN, oops, no. Huwag yung chinelas ko, masisira. ATN and IRC, thanks. ATN, si ATN nag-fail sa MA20 eh. So, sadly, sa mga traders na pumasok kay ATN, most probably, nag-cut loss tayo. Ay, hindi pa. Ay, yeah. Most probably, nag-cut loss tayo. If ever hindi kayo nakapag-cut loss at bumaba yan, for trading ha, sa mga nagtitrade nito ha, you cut your losses, okay, if you're trading it. Kasi, bakit? Though there is a support right here, there is no guarantee that it's gonna bounce at support. So, baka maipit lang kayo at bumaba yan. Diba? I'm recommending ATN for long-term, very good company. So, these are good happenings for long-term people. Because the redder it is, the better. Kasi that's an opportunity to keep buying more. Kasi pag nag-long-term po kasi kayo, it's about volume, right? If you go for long term, the more our goal is to get as many stocks as we can. And how do we get the most stocks, the most volume, is if it becomes cheaper. So if it goes cheaper for a good company, I'd say just keep buying it. Kaloy62, good morning. Jose B, good morning. Boss Lloyd, morning din. Mr. M, good morning Sir Lloyd. News po kay FNI. Nakapasok na ako. FNI, ba't tayo pumasok habang nagpo-pull back? Let's wait for the stock to start bouncing, right? Baka bumaba pa yan lalo today. Hopefully, mag-bounce sa MA20. At yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, huwag niyo pong hahabulin. Kaya ang daming naipit. Right? Huwag po kayo maghahabol. Wait for the bounce. At least bounce, low risk tayo low risk po tayo pumasok. Kung ever bumaba man, maliit lang ang talo natin. That's our goal in trading. So, FNI right now, wala pang bounce. So, wala pa tayong entry point. Nino Mercurio, good morning po. Sir Lloyd, pa-review po si Globe. Si Globe is in one of my recommendations for today. So, Tugs po, is a buy, MA20. Renetado, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Tech and CHP, masyadong mataas na si Tech. Right, recommended Tech. Kailan ko ba na-recommend si Tech? I want to review my recommendations. Tech. Right, I believe I recommended Tech dito support last Friday. Diba? And then umakyat na siya. Masyadong mataas na si Tech ngayon. Si CHP naman, too aggressive to catch the bounce. Di po natin alam kung solid na yung bounce na yan. I want it to confirm the support one more time before I want to recommend it. Chief Yuan, especially now na may mag-FOO sila si CHP. So, konting ingat muna. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Insights po kay ABA, ISM, and MRSGI. These are good companies. ABA, on the breakout, if ever gusto pumasok kay ABA, because we have a strong resistance right here. Tanggalin ko na ito kasi medyo magulo. So, we have a resistance right here for ABA na ginagawa niya. Entry point for ABA is if it breaks out from this ascending triangle right here, from this flag pattern pala. Okay? So, that's the entry point for ABA. Next kay ABA, ISM, tapos na tayo kay ARSN, MRSGI, one of my favorite stocks. Budigahin niyo po sa MRSGI right now. Okay? I recommended MRSGI here. It went up, went down, went up. So, at least nagsustain pa rin yung support niya. MRSGI is still good to go. Especially if magko-confirm yung support for MRSGI. That's a good entry point for it. Emmanuel Lumain, maing buntag, sir. Insights ni Green at Tags, please. Tapos na tayo kay Tags. Si Green lang. Tingnan natin si Green. Okay, so Green, ganun din. Similar. Alright, it already went up. We have a possible resistance right here. So, yeah, breakout lang for Green. Right? Sabi ko sa inyo, ang ganda na ng technical analysis eh. Ayaw ko lang i-recommend because of this big negative ni Green kasi hindi ko po na-research yan. But the divergence right here did not lie. Diba? We talked about this. We have a confirmation bounce and kumita na ang mga pumasok kay Green. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay Green. Kahit hindi ko po na-recommend yan. We still talked about it. Technical analysis-wise, it's already a buy. And then there it is. Umakyat nga siya. Elma Barbudo, bodega pa rin kay DNL. Yes, definitely. That's a very good company. No reason why it should keep continuing to go down. It's just that market sentiments kay DNL ang rason bakit bumabagsak siya ngayon. But still a very good company. GB, good morning, Sir Lloyd. What is your insights about CHP? Magvo-volatile po yan si CHP. I don't want to recommend it because mag-FOO sila. Maglalabas sila sa maraming stocks and that's gonna make the stock most probably go down. We have lower highs right here. We have a head and shoulder pattern. So we're still on a downtrend. We're still looking at a downtrend right now for CHP. So I don't want to recommend it. Sir Bloom po, wait for the pullback kay Bloom. Right, wait tayo ng pullback kay Bloom before we want to enter Bloom. Tommy Escobedo, coach, regarding sa third telco, pag formal na nag-announce na operation na sila o mag-start mag-advertise, may impact po ba sa price action niya? Paano po sa tingin nyo mag-trigger tataas price niya? If ever magsisimula na siya, we're gonna see a trend. If ever maging uso siya, that's gonna be a very big plus for ISM. And if ever sa tingin nyo, ang lakas ng acceptance ng mga tao sa kanila, if ever that happens, that most probably is gonna make the stock go up. Pero just make a decision there. Right now, we are speculating. We're speculating that ISM is not gonna do good. But with the support of the government, I think it's gonna do good. That's why I have my bias in guessing. Naghuhula pa lang tayo ngayon. Right? If it's gonna be accepted properly by people. But so far, so good. May magandang feedback naman ako ngayon na gusto na testingin kaagad. It's something new. Tulad ni Sun noon. It's gonna be market changer. Noon, ang mahal-mahal ng text, pinasok ni Sun, kaya naman pala unlimited. Ayun, nagbagsakan ng presyo. Diba? So, Sun was really accepted. And there it is. That was the success of Sun. Kaso nga lang, binili ni Smart. This time, I think, people are gonna go for dito and test it out. And I think it's gonna do well. Right? With the 5G coming up, I think dito will be the first telco in the Philippines to be able to give us 5G, especially they're connected with Chinatel. So that's gonna be very good. 5G, oh my God, excited to have 5G already. So yeah, I think that's gonna be accepted well by the people. It should go up if ever may magandang first impression ng mga tao. Hafa Aday, good morning from Macau. Sir Lloyd, pasilip na CHP. We talked about that. Ion, sa Ionix. Yeah. Good support for Ion. Ang ganda ng spike ngayon. Okay? Nga lang, wait for the pullback and bounce lang for Ion. Best to enter on a pullback and bounce. IMI, we talked about IMI already. There it is. Sabi ko sa inyo, it's either gonna go up or gonna go down this way. This time, it went up. Ang ganda kasi ng support na yon. And then there it is, IMI. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay IMI. Last Friday, recommended it right here for IMI. So, umakyat na siya. It's already too late. Lumipad na. Wag na lang muna ngayon. Wait for the pullback and bounce na lang tayo for IMI. COSCO, LR. Right, we covered those already. Sean 4C. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. CSLI po. Looks consistent sa MA20. However, may kaming ay po. Follow on what the advice po. Yun ang problema. It might go down because of the FOO. Usually kasi pag nag-FOO, bumabagsak. So, I cannot recommend SLI because of that. Okay? Most probably, it's gonna stop its climb. But we have a resistance right here. We have an MA20. Nagbe-break na siya ng MA20. These are bad signals right here. Ang haba ng buntot below MA20. So, I cannot recommend that anymore. Please, focus on the stocks that are at the bottom right now. Napakataas na yan ni SLI. Huwag na natin pansinin yan. Okay? Focus more on these stocks that are at the bottom instead of those stocks na nasa taas na. Ano po masasabi nyo investment ni dito? Same as Google Data Center daw sa Clark City. Thank you. That's a very good that's a very good move, right? For dito, right? If they're gonna do that. I saw the news for dito. That's something gonna be very positive for dito. I'll look more into the business plan, but syempre, that's gonna be a very good start for dito. Okay, RLB Holdings, sir. Good morning. Insights po kay Mer, Seb, MWC for long term. Time check is 9:04. So, bilisan natin ito. Mer, we have a triple bottom for Mer. Right, I recommended Mer dito sa green niya dito because of the triple bottom. That's the best entry point for Mer. Kung lumapit tayo dyan at mag-bounce, definitely buy Mer. Using a triple bottom pattern. Asa na tayo? Mer. CEB. So, si CEB, nagpapakita ng lower highs eh. But we're at MA20. Okay? Yeah, you can test out MA20 of CEB. Check it out if baka umakyat si CEB. Why not? Diba? Nasa MA20 naman tayo sa mga gustong pumasok kay CEB. Definitely showing us good signals for right there. So yeah, CEB at MA20. MWC, ayun, ito, isa rin sa stocks na dapat tinitignan nyo. Okay? Possible mag-bottom out na ito. We have very good divergence patterns. Kahit pababa yung presyo, momentum is going up. So, that's definitely a good signal. Pag nag-green yan si MWC or at least mag-break out from this pattern, that's a good entry point for MWC. Pasukin nyo na po yan. For long term, ito palang tanong ni RLB for long term. Mer, mid to long term, CEB, yeah, mid to long term. MWC, yeah, MWC won't, anyways, hindi naman ito mawawala anytime soon. Especially now that napakamaba ng presyo niya. At least mid to long term lang. We have a possible yan na gawin ulit in the MWC. It's just that the market is really down. Pag nag-bullish ulit ang market, definitely it's gonna go up because this is a good company. So yeah, mid to long term for these companies that you mentioned. Sir, insights about FLI, MEG, MBT, GFC from Aldrin Barte. FLI, budagan nyo yan na habang nasa baba. Right? So FLI, alang ha. So, hindi na makita yung chart. So, possible pullback si FLI. This is good. If it confirms the support, buy it definitely. That's a very good company. MEG, bodega rin kay MEG, yung recommendation ko. We talked about MEG right here. Pinabodega ko na sa inyo dyan. And then, MEG is starting to go up. Hopefully, bigyan tayo ng magandang presyo ni MEG kung gusto niyo po magbodega kay MEG. But, good to enter naman si MEG as a company. MBT, habang nasa support, you buy it. GFC. It's GFC. Traders, breakout. Magandang breakout for GFC. Sa mga investors, the cheaper, the better. So, habang nasa baba pa yan si GFC, pasukin niyo po yan. Mark Calejo, sir, should I invest in charting tools or pwede po yung free What's the difference? If yes po, ano magandang charting tool? Is it for PSE? For PSE, hindi kailangan. Okay na sa Instagrams. Libre lang sa Instagrams for PSE. But for international market, okay lang naman for position trading si TradingView. Kaso nga lang, hassle yung itong mga ads na ito. Okay? If you're day trading, if you're a day trader, yes, it's gonna be a good investment. Si TradingView, maganda po mag-invest dito kay TradingView. It's a very fast, very reliable charting tools for TradingView. Right? Jail Villa Garcia, getting interested, wanna start investing soon. I'm 19, currently studying in Australia. Good morning po sa inyo, Jail Villa Garcia. Yeah, right guys, this is the reason why I want you to share the video for people like Jail Villa Garcia. Right, 19 years old and he's already interested in the stocks. So this is very good if you share it. So please share the video. Good morning, Jail. Welcome to the program. Alan Tige, good morning, sir. Insights po kay IPO Metro Pacific Hospitals. Ang alam ko kasi dati, ang hospital ni unit ni MPI, palugi eh. Again, do not buy IPOs. I do not recommend buying IPOs. Right? Don't worry, you're gonna have a chance to buy it anytime. Kung mag-uptrend yan, then definitely pull back and bounce before kayo pumasok. But the moment kasi you buy the IPO, you're gambling. Right? Unless you're a long-term investor dyan na kung bumaba man yan, okay lang sa inyo, then you just buy more. But if you're not that kind of person, then don't buy the IPO. Nanguhula po tayo saan papunta yan. DMW, very good company. This is, I want to show you. DMW, very good fundamentals na company, right? I told you guys don't buy the IPO of DMW. So what happened to DMW is it opened at around 12 pesos and for the first few days, bumagsak ng 25%. Okay? So this is the challenging part. Ang problema niyan, hindi natin alam what will happen in the future. So mga pumasok sa IPO, kinabahan na dito. 'Di ba? Good thing nakapag-recover si DMW. Okay? But that's the thing with IPO. Even if it's a good company, there's assurance in it. So if okay lang sa inyo na matibay ang loob ninyo or you really believe in the company and you're gonna go for long term, yeah, you can buy the IPO. But as much as possible, I will recommend just buying the dips instead. Mas maganda po yan. Air Plata, good morning, Sir Lloyd. From Canada, Sir, insights po kay ADSK, GWPH, and ACB. Thank you, sir. Pinapasign in na naman ako. Teka lang ha. I'll try to sign in. Hassle. Alright. Trading view. Sorry. Ayun. I'll go back to the charts. Okay. May question dito about ADSK. Uy, very good. Good find. Alright. Kasi nga lang may resistance tayo dito for ADSK. Okay. It's either breakout or pullback bounce for ADSK. Good find, sino nga ba nito? This is from Air Plata. ADSK, good find. GWPH. Whew. That's a buy signal. Definitely a buy signal. Maganda naman sa itong company nito. I'll be buying GWPH today. Alright, thank you for this air. Alright, inaabangan ko yung bounce nito. Hindi ko lang napansin na nag-bounce na pala. So, I'm gonna write down a GWPH. So, those mga nagka-copy sa akin, nagka-copy trade sa akin, yeah, I'm gonna be buying GWPH. Right now, this is the status of our portfolio. So far, gain naman tayo. So, hopefully, this is gonna do well for us in the next coming days. I'm gonna be buying GWPH for today. Add po natin sa portfolio natin. If you wanna trade on your own, you can trade on your own. Okay? eToro, guys, if you don't have an eToro account yet, join us in the international market. Create an eToro account. Please use my link. Andyan po sa video description. A very big request from your end, from my end. it really helps the channel a lot. Kaya po nakapagbigay tayo ng mga free seminars because of what eToro is, how eToro is very generous, di ba? Speaking of seminar, September 29 po, andyan po ako sa Manila. Today po, maglalabas kami ng registration link. I was just asking for eToros. Meron kasi silang mga gustong malaman from you guys before you register. So, it's gonna be out for today. Registration is gonna be out for today, September 29 po yan sa BGC po tayo. All the details will be there in the registration. And it's gonna cost only 500 pesos, 5,000. 500 pesos lang. 500 pesos only for the seminar. How you learn how to trade. The trading masterclass. Bigay po ng eToro sa inyo yan. So please use an account using my link. Because this helps us continue this program. Nakapagturo po tayo ng libre because of how eToro has been helping us. So if you create an account using my link, that's a very big help for the channel. That's one way you can help without spending. Okay, September 29, Manila. I'll see you there. BGC registration is gonna be out today. Okay. Good morning, Coach. Ayun, GWPH, ACB. Tingnan din natin si ACB. Aurora, cannabis. Uy, mahilig sa cannabis. Very good market right now si cannabis. So, yeah. I think this is good for ACB. Okay? Nag-breakout na siya ng downtrend niya. Best lang dito. No need to be aggressive. Best to look for pullback and bounce for ACB. Okay? For Aurora cannabis. Pasilip din po si Google. Google Alphabet. Yun. So, hindi ko pinasok si Google kasi possible mag-resistance and there it is. Nag-resistance nga. We're waiting for Google to really confirm the breakout or go back to support before we wanna enter it. Okay? For Google. Philip Santillan, good morning, Coach Lloyd. Take nyo po kay ATN. ATN, antayin lang natin kung anong further price action. Not good to enter today. Kent Isaac, happy holiday dia. Sir, ayun, holiday nga pala dito sa Cebu ngayon. So, yeah, walang pasok dito. Sir, SSI po. Thanks. You're welcome. SSI. Right, si SSI, hindi pa nang pullback eh. Wait tayo ng pullback kay SSI. Let's see if it gives us a pullback and a bounce. Maybe on this possible support right here sa around 2.82. That's the best entry point for SSI. Sa ngayon, hindi pa. Jenny Ray. Hi, Sir Lloyd. Good morning. Okay po ba Alco and Ali for long term? Buti naabutan ko kayo live. Thank you. So, Ali, yes, definitely very good for long term si Ali. Alco naman, so far so good. The company's doing well. So, I can recommend Alco, especially the property stocks. Maganda pa rin ang properties in the country. Very bullish pa rin ang property directions natin. So, yeah. Good morning, AC. This is from Miriam Veloria. AC, MRC, and PXP, sir. AC, yeah. Habang nasa baba pa yun si AC, recommended it last Friday. Medyo pumula siya, but still a recommendation for me. As long as the support holds. MRC naman, yes, may support tayo kay MRC. We talked about MRC during this support right here na baka mag-bounce siya. Lakas ng bounce kaagad. So, MRC, nag-standby dyan eh. Really hard to say right now. At least kung man lang kung mag-breakout yan, breakout na lang for MRC. Okay, kung gusto niyo pa pong humabol kay MRC. PXP, still speculative, so it's really hard to say about PXP. But right now, it's bouncing naman on its on the good levels niya with this technical analysis, which is tawag nito Fibonacci. Okay pa naman siya. So pag nag-green yan, pwede niyo po i-testing. Support niyo po is 10.27. Get out if ever that doesn't pan out. Okay, Bob Ryan, good morning, Sir Lloyd. AGI, CHP. Si AGI, tinitignan ko. Naghahanap ako ng magandang entry for AGI. Siguro another confirmation for AGI. We can test out AGI pag nag-confirm yan na isa pang green today for AGI. Yes, may divergence na tayo eh. So, this is good already for AGI. Yeah, pwede nyo, for those aggressive guys right there, pwede nyo po testingin si AGI kung gusto nyo. Okay? Good find, Bob Ryan. Getting better, right? Focus on stocks that have most probably bottomed out. That's where you start buying CHP, ICT. Si ICT naman, medyo nakaangat na si ICT. So, we're waiting for ICT to we talked about ICT, di ba? Around this level, I forgot kailan. Yeah. I don't know. Si ICT right now, very shaky for me. This is the best entry point most probably because of this green right here. Medyo mataas na siya. May resistance tayo dyan. So, you're already in between. Get in near this support as much as you can, at least for ICT. I can't recommend it yet. Medyo shaky pa ako kay ICT. But definitely, very good company. So, baka umangat naman. We already have a higher high. Yeah, I guess pwede pa ito. Uptrend na pinapakita ni ICT naman. So, we have a higher high and higher low. Get in near this uptrend line as much as you can. Alright, for ICT. So, mga gustong pumasok kay ICT, especially kay Bob Ryan. How much po yung minimum investment sa eToro? You can already start with eToro for $200. Creating an account is for free. Initial deposit is $200. And then onwards, pwede na tigwa 100 kung gusto ninyo. You can get in a stock for as low as $50. Right? $50 pwede na ka makapag-invest sa isang company. Okay? Sa eToro. And if you want to copy trade, $200 po ang minimum for copy trade. Vidcore, MHC po sir, ano po sa tingin nyo? Tinitingnan ko to si MHC rin eh. I'm really uncertain for this stock. Medyo sideways and pababa naman yung mga resistances niya. So, I can't recommend MHC right now. How about MBT, sir? Pag nag-green yan sa MBT, pasukin niyo na. Raymar Mariano, sir, Lloyd, kailan po September yung seminar at paano po yung registration? September 29 po. It's gonna be only 500 pesos. 500 pesos lang po yan. Registration link will be out today. Okay? Bigay niyo po namin sa inyo yung registration link within the day. Most probably late afternoon. Joseph Season, your thoughts on FEN, please. Guys, FEN might still continue the uptrend. Kaso nga lang, ang dami pong stocks na nasa baba. We focus more on those stocks na nasa baba. Huwag po tayong tingin sa mga stocks na nagdilidi para na. Because we are playing with probability. And then, when it comes to probability, stocks that are already expensive has high probability of going down. So meaning your chances of losing is higher on stocks that are up there, right? Play with stocks, good companies that are at the bottom, because if the company is cheap, probability is mas malaki ang chances of winning if you focus on stocks that are at the bottom. Juni Herrera, we can't say about KPPI yet. We medyo mahirap pa. FLI, Sir Lloyd. FLI on the bounce is a buy. Wilbert Nunez, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Annie po. Thanks, Annie. Yeah, we talked about Annie. Kaka-breakout niya lang. So, yeah, definitely is a buy for Annie. J. Lord, Sir, what's your thoughts on MPI? Okay naman si MPI. Definitely good for long term. Sir, your thoughts on AUB? Thank you. AUB. This chart with AUB is really hard to read. So if ganito naman po ang movement niya, I don't really want to play with this kind of stock. So I cannot say, really hard to say about the charts of AUB. Best thing I can tell you is if it goes to this support, ito yung makikita nyo naman pag pumupunta dyan, lumilipad ang stock. So if it goes there and then bounces, you can buy it there. Hi sir, good morning. From the guy with the Japanese name, I don't know how to read that. CHP po from Dan Ilagan. CHP, stay away from it because mag-FOO. It's gonna cause volatility. It might go down because of that. Hi Sir Lloyd, good morning. Watching you every day. FLI po, please. Hi Irene, thank you for watching. FLI, let's wait for the pullback and bounce for FLI. Definitely, that's gonna be a buy. Sir, si Didi at sakit na nalalamunan ko. Didi. Si Didi, let's see what will happen with Didi. Medyo pula pa siya ngayon eh. Let's see if it will confirm a support. That most probably is gonna be a good sign. Let's see the status of RSI if it bounces at the support for Didi. For now, downtrend pa nakikita natin. Stay away from this stock for now. Kasi pa downtrend pa siya. DD, PPG, si PPG naman, si PPG, use this uptrend line as your entry point. Gusto nyo pong pumasok kay PPG. Webs, nag-aantay ako ng pullback kay Web. So, medyo pula na siya. So, this is good. We're waiting for pullback and bounce for Web. Good morning, Sir Lloyd, MRC, Paul Henrik Ontayo. MRC, we covered MRC already. Nickel, ito si Nickel. Magpo-pullback pa to. Wait lang tayo ng bounce kay Nickel. SMC, ito one of the good stocks out there. If waiting for SMC to create to bounce at support again. Pag nag-bounce at support, definitely is a buy. MWC, we covered that already. ISM, also si ISM, magbodega lang habang while if it goes further down, just keep buying it. Meron tayong green kay ISM, pwede nyo yung bilhin yan sa mga hindi pa nakapasok. That's a good entry point kasi naman pumasok kayo doon sa taas at nainggit kasi nainggit kayo. This is a better entry for ISM. So yeah, mga hindi pa nakapasok kay ISM dyan, mga napasukin, if it goes further down, just keep buying more. Problema kasi nito, hindi natin alam kung babagsak pa ito or hindi. Or aakyat. So what you do is you just buy here. If it goes further down, you buy more. Ang problema kasi kung hindi kayo bumili dito at umakyat na naman yan, mafo-FOMO kayo, ang ending sa taas naman kayo makakabili. So it's up to you. That's why I wanna recommend just buy some here. If it goes further down, just keep buying more. So pwede po ba patingin si FNI? Si FNI nagpo-pullback pa. Wala pa tayong bounce, so abang lang tayo. Hi sir, good morning po ISM and Now po. Thank you. Si Now naman, mukhang downtrend na si Now. Right? After the hype. After hinipe siya, ayun, nagkaipit na kay Now. At 310, this is more or less the normal value for Now as of the moment. Too risky for me. But we have a support right here. Pag nag-green yan, at least testingin nyo po dyan if you wanna trade it out. Doon lang kay ISM, a sure punter telco kasi support telco na sinasabi nila. Anyways, yeah, we read all the comments. Now, disclosure po yan ngayon lang. Tingnan nga natin. Sige, tingnan natin. May disclosure daw si Now. Uy, may press release. Press release on renewal now. Corps affiliates authority granted by NTC. This wasn't, this isn't, okay lang to. This isn't that much. This shouldn't affect the... Wala naman to eh. It's not really a big news that can affect the stock. So yeah. Gap up daw? I don't know. But... projected price. Gap up si Now ngayon. Right? So... yeah, that may be something. But that's a gap up. 935 kaagad. Right there for Now. So, pinaglalaroan na naman yan. So, gusto nyo mag-habol ng gap up? I don't recommend that. Kasi pag bumagsak yan, laki ng risk nyo. O laki ng base. Konti ingat po dyan. So, it's up to you if you wanna join that. If you wanna ask for my recommendation, for longer term, go for ISM instead for Now. It's just that, konti kasi ng stocks ni Now kaya ang bilis kumalaw. So, kung gusto niyo pong sumakay sa mga momentum, yeah, test out the momentum of Now. If you know how to momentum trade, then why not? Diba? There's opportunity in momentum kasi. So, if you know what you're doing, then try to ride the momentum. Hanap kayo ng pullback inside the daily movement niya, 1-minute chart, and then bounce. Then, pasukin niyo po. Baka magtuloy-tuloy yung momentum. Diba? That's it for today. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining the live. Again, create an eToro account using my link. Please use my link. And September 12, we're gonna have a day trading seminar habang nagtutrade. Pakita po namin sa inyo yung execution. It's gonna be 11 in the morning. And then, September 29 po, dyan po tayo sa Manila. BGC will update. I will be posting the registration link for today. 500 pesos lang po yan. Tell your friends. Sayang naman po. Right? Yung opportunity. That's it for today. See you tomorrow. As always, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone.